your neighbor.
What neighbor?
The one, the paper you've been stealing.
I'm sorry?
The one, the paper you've been stealing.
I haven't been stealing shit.
My paper.
I don't even read the damn paper.
I know who this is.
Kiss my fire ass.
You don't talk to me like that.
I just did.
You want me to kick your ass?
I would like to see you try.
Why are you trying to change your voice? What? 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 Hey! I've got trouble right here waiting for you! Why are you trying to change your voice? Why the hell you do something like that?
Pat.
We're gonna call again.
Pat, Ivy.
Hey!
What?
Yeah, your neighbor.
What the fuck do you want?
My paper.
Alright, well, fine.
You don't talk to me like that.
You can quit calling my
You want
phone.
me to kick your ass?
Oh, yeah, you wish.
Why are you trying to change your voice? Why the hell you do something like that?
Is it real?
Why the hell you do something like that?
Hey, go ahead. Why?
It's 50 cents every day and I pay for the goddamn paper. Hey!
Pause it.